Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function for you. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X values are 0 to 4 and fx values are 6 through 96. So this kind of questions, I suggest you to use the given function and substitute the given values. We're going to use 0 first for x. A times b to the power of 0 gives you 6. So b to the power 6 is 1. So a times 1 is 6. Then the value of a is 6. To find the value of b, I'm going to use the second data, f1, a, which is, we know the value of a now, well, let's use that, 6 times b to the power of 1 gives you 12. So if 6b is 12, we'll divide both sides by 6, and the b is 2. We just found the values of b is greater than 1, so a and c can be eliminated. So choice B or D is the answer. Is the function is growth or decay? As x values are increasing, the y values are, the function values are also increasing. Because of that, it's a growth function. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.